What if the Sahara, a symbol of desolation and aridity, became a rainforest teeming with life? We embark on a journey to explore a radical transformation of the Sahara Desert, a concept that challenges our understanding of environmental limits. We'll delve into the unforeseen consequences, both positive and negative, and uncover the incredible possibilities for life on Earth that such a change could unlock. Imagine a world, not so distant from our own, where the largest desert on Earth, the vast and arid Sahara, was instead a lush, vibrant rainforest, a haven of biodiversity. What incredible life, previously unimaginable in this harsh landscape, would thrive there? And how would this radical transformation reshape our planet's climate, ecosystems, and even human societies? Get ready to explore the unimaginable ripple effects of this profound ecological shift as we venture into a world where the desert blooms. For millennia, the Sahara has stood as an imposing symbol of barrenness, a vast expanse of sand and scorching sun. It's a landscape etched in our minds as the epitome of desolation. But what if that fundamental truth, that deeply ingrained image, were to be completely overturned? What if everything we understand about this iconic desert was about to change? What if, against all odds, the Sahara underwent a radical metamorphosis, transforming into a sprawling, vibrant, and oxygen-rich rainforest? Imagine a lush green paradise where once there was only sand. And what if this incredible change occurred not through human intervention, with complex geoengineering projects, but through a natural, almost mind-bending shift in the Earth's climate? This isn't just a whimsical thought experiment about trees and rain. This is about fundamentally altering global weather patterns, triggering a cascade of ecological changes, and potentially creating new civilizations in the heart of Africa. It's about challenging everything we thought we knew about Earth's potential for dramatic and unexpected transformations, and the delicate balance that sustains our planet. Picture emerald canopies stretching as far as the eye can see, a sea of green where once there was only the endless horizon of sand dunes. Imagine the vibrant ecosystem that would flourish, teeming with life and biodiversity. Hear the symphony of exotic birds filling the air with their calls, the rush of mighty rivers carving their way through the landscape, instead of the lonely whisper of desert winds and the shifting sands. This isn't a fantasy pulled from the pages of a science fiction novel, it's a deep dive into the astonishing scientific possibilities, exploring the complex climate dynamics, and considering the unforeseen consequences if the Sahara Desert truly became a rainforest, a transformation that would rewrite Earth's story and reshape our understanding of its future. What if the Sahara became a rainforest? A brief captivating intro asking what if, followed by a quick visual of a lush Sahara, exploring the radical climate shifts or geoengineering megaprojects that could trigger this transformation. Visualizing the initial stages of transformation. First trickles, then streams, then rivers. The explosion of biodiversity, imagining new species adapted to the African rainforest. The return of ancient megafauna, could mammoths or giant sloths roam again? The interconnectedness of this new ecosystem, and how it could become a global biodiversity hotspot. The unforeseen impacts extend far beyond the initial event, rippling outwards to affect global weather patterns. We're talking about the birth of new ocean currents, the dramatic alteration of existing jet streams, and a fundamental shift in atmospheric dynamics. Changes in rainfall distribution will be one of the most visible consequences across the world. Some arid regions could experience unexpected blooms, potentially turning deserts green with new life. Conversely, traditionally fertile areas might face prolonged droughts, impacting agriculture and water resources. The profound effect on global temperatures is undeniable. We could be looking at the dawn of a new mini ice age in some regions, while others experience unprecedented warming. Or perhaps the overall effect will be a greener planet, with increased vegetation and a reshaped climate landscape. The emergence of a new fertile landmass will inevitably trigger mass migrations. Billions of people could be on the move, seeking new opportunities and resources, fundamentally reshaping global demographics, and placing immense pressure on existing infrastructure. This new reality will necessitate the emergence of new cities designed for sustainability, innovative agricultural practices to feed a growing population, and creative resource management strategies to ensure long-term viability. International cooperation will be paramount, but so will the potential for conflict. the world will need to navigate complex negotiations and address potential territorial disputes over this new breadbasket of the world, requiring unprecedented diplomacy and a commitment to shared solutions. The potential for unintended ecological disasters, new diseases, or invasive species. The displacement of existing cultures and the loss of unique desert ecosystems. A reflective conclusion. Is humanity prepared for such a radical transformation? And is it truly a utopia?